Hi, my name is Victoria Findlay Wolfe and I'm a licensed designer with Sizzix, here today to show you my Spring 2018 dies. We have flip side and facets. What I love about this die and any of my dies is that they're always done up for easy piecing. I've dog-eared all of my shapes so that everything is going to go together nicely. You always have a lot of different options on the packaging to give you many different ideas of the way that you can put that die together. Whether you're a new quilter or an experienced quilter, you're going to have a lot of fun playing with all the options. All straight piecing on these dies. Whether I'm just playing with some color play combinations, you can see there's the traditional block both in the blue and in the purple. If you start playing with some color combinations and playing with your color placement, we can add in some pinwheels. And ultimately, I can even see how I could even get a double wedding ring out of this. And no curved piecing. Perfect. My second die is facets. This pillow behind me is showing that we have lots of little pieces, but what better way to do it than to put 8 layers of fabric on my Sizzix die and have a parts department of all those pieces that I can play with and chain piece and sew together. Again, a very easy straight sewing construction. And what helps with that is all the dog ears is cut off again so that everything lays together perfectly so that you have results every single time when you're piecing. You are going to have a lot of fun with these. I can't wait for you to get these in your hands to play with.